We're delighted to be holding a workshop at 3XE this February, and we're really looking forward to the conference in a few weeks' time. So at our workshop, what we're going to be looking at is mainly Google Analytics, and we're going to be taking you through how to get the best out of your Google Analytics data. So we'll be looking into the common pitfalls and misconceptions that a lot of people aren't aware of, as well as areas that can often be overlooked. So one thing what we find is a lot of businesses, they're lacking getting valuable insights from their Google Analytics data by just using the standard out-of-the-box Google Analytics configuration. So we'll be taking you through how to overcome these common pitfalls, and what I hope that you'll get from our workshop is basically some practical learnings that you can take away and apply to your own Google Analytics to gain these valuable insights for your own business. So I hope that you'll find our workshop interesting, and we're really looking forward to seeing you at 3XE.